Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute witch's hat made with all Dollar Tree items. It does light up too, so if you want to see how I made it, stay tuned and I'll show you. First thing that you're going to need is some mesh. I have one roll of black mesh. Let me tilt you down. There we go. One roll of black mesh. And this is the Harvest green mesh. You're going to need one set of lights. I picked orange. You need tinsel stems or chenille stems or pipe cleaners or whatever you want to call them. You obviously need your witch's hat. I used this glitter ribbon in orange. This is an old sign from Dollar Tree. I think you can still find them. It was 3 pieces, and you can see I just ripped the tape that was holding it off. And then you're gonna need a scarf. So, what you're gonna do with your form here is cut off the tag. And then you're going to rip this stuff off. Then you're going to take this scarf unravel it. And you're going to take your chenille stems and you're going to cut them in half. So this is what it looks like cut in half. And I'm going to cut this tag off. Don't cut it too close or you're going to unravel your scarf. And I'm just going to take, let's take that end that I just cut that on, and I'm going to take this, wrap the chenille stem around it, and twist. So this is going to go up right at the top here. And you're going to secure it right to the tip. It's hard to judge if you guys can see this. My little tripod broke, so now I can't tilt it down a lot. Alright, so now you've got this going on here, and all you're going to do is take this scarf and wrap it around the hat. Be mindful of this little hanger right here. You want to keep this out. So I'm going to wrap this and then we're going to completely covered the witch's hat. Just the top. I'm going to leave all the bottom still tinsel because this is all going to get covered by deco mesh. So I've cut my black roll and my green roll into 6 10-inch strips, and I'm actually going to go ahead and add some purple in here. So I've already started cutting this. I've already got 3. 4, 5, 6. This Dollar Tree mesh loves to stick to itself. 6. And I'm actually going to cut a 1/7 of this. I have one back here just chilling. Again, I'm just going to cut them in half. And we're going to take these pieces one by one. And you're going to put it on the table and you're going to walk your fingers up this. So now you have this ruffle. Really easy. And then you're going to take your chenille stem, go right over the top of this. I kind of just pull it. Again, walk your fingers up it. You have a ruffle. Secure it. Try to get it kind of in the center. Sometimes I miscalculate my center. And then twist. And you have another ruffle. So When I'm done doing this with the black, I'm gonna cut 6 pieces of this, and I'm gonna dovetail the ends, which means I'm gonna do this to each end, and then I'm gonna put these orange pieces in with my purple bouquets. And once I have everything cut and bouqueted up, then I will come back to my wreath form. So what this has in the middle is this bar here, and this is where you're going to attach all of your mesh. So I work on this a little differently, I think, than most people would. I work from both sides in. I don't start here and end up here. I start on each end and then I end up in the middle. I do that because I like to make my wreath look symmetrical. It's a little trickier, but it works for me. I like the way that it turns out. So all you're going to do is push these through. And there's a bar right in the middle. And you're going to pull this and it'll secure itself. And then you're going to twist your tinsel stems. I use black because it blends in the back here. Probably wasn't the best color to use to show you guys what to do, but that is what I chose because I am selling this. So here's another one. And this Dollar Tree mesh is just awful. It grabs on everything, but, well, not awful, but awful in the sense that it grabs. So now I have one on each end. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with the green. And we'll go the next one down from the black. This is hard to do on camera, guys. I'm going to buy a better tripod so I can record more of me doing this. So again, one side, I'm going to take a green one, come to the other side, make sure it goes around that middle bar in the wreath form, and twist, twist, twist. So again, we are symmetrical. And then, we'll go in with the purple next. And the purple has the orange ribbon on it. And again, right over that bar, find your tinsel stem in the back, pull it taut, and twist. This is going to look like wonky and not full for a while, really, until it starts to get full, and then it will. Okay, so I've completely finished the bottom of my wreath, working from both edges in, and whatever color I start with down here is the one that I end up with in the middle. So that's why I cut 7 pieces of black and 6 pieces each of the purple and the green. So let me zoom you out here. You can kind of see what that looks like now. So now I want to cover the top of this right here because this isn't looking so good. So what I've actually done after I said that I wasn't going to, but I'm taking this spiderweb mesh, and all I did was the same thing. I just put it on the table, rolled it up with my fingers, and then I did the thing with the tinsel stem. So now I'm gonna take the green, one piece here. This is like a 6-inch. I didn't measure this one. And we're going to do the same thing. And whatever way, see how this ends? Like you have your 2 fat ends here. Take this tinsel stem and match whatever way that went. So that way you're going to lay this one across it and it's going to go crisscross. So So I'm going to take that. Can you see me? I think so. And then I'm going to pull my tinsel stems up. And I'm going to go across again. And I'm going to take my purple now and do the same exact thing. I don't like the end of this. Sometimes this deco mesh from Dollar Tree gets a little wonky. Not really sure why. Like, it comes out of the package like this. I don't know why. Alright, so then I'm going to do the same thing. Whatever way my other one ended, I'm going to put my tinsel stem that way and then go across it with the other color. And I'm going to pull it taut. So now you have this guy. And all I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to go right where I put that other tinsel stem to secure the scarf to the end, and I'm going to go right over it so we don't see that sloppy end anymore. So now our tip looks like this and our bottom looks like this. Just super cute. So now we're going to go ahead and add this sign, and I want it somewhere. Let's tilt you up and back you up. I want it somewhere in here. I kind of just want it to sit. Not really on center. I like it a little off kilter. I think it looks cute. So we're going to do that. And all I'm going to do is secure this with hot glue. I have the Gorilla Glue glue sticks, and that's what I'm going to do there. And before I do that, while my glue gun's heating up, I have the string of LED lights here, if I can turn them on. There we go. So I've got a string of LED lights, and I'm going to tilt you back down. And we're going to string these into our witch's hat. So I do hot glue this down, and I'm probably going to hot glue it down right about here. So I'm going to lay this here, and then I'm going to start at the top and just pop these lights through. And you're going to use the tinsel stems that you already have there to secure the wires of your LED lights. So all I did was just grab a light, pop it in, find the wire with a tinsel stem that's already there, and secure it. And I'm going to go all the way around this, and I will... Alright, so I've got all of the LED lights strung in. All you do is push them in there and pull. You can't really see because I'm under a fluorescent light, but they're all in there. And I kind of just flip it over periodically and see what looks like it's bare and needs to be filled in with a little bit of light. So now all I'm going to do is hot glue this part down. What I do is set this down, and the great thing about this tinsel is it grabs the hot glue really, really well. And then while that sets up, again, I'm going to take this, the Witch's Inn sign, and again go ham on the back of this with hot glue. A little bit everywhere. And again, the good thing about the scarf that you're going to use is that it will grab that hot glue impeccably well. Alright, so I'm just flipping this over, and I'm going to find where I want this. I think I want this one to tilt this way. So that is the finished product. It's super easy, super simple. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you try to make one of your own. You can buy my wreaths on facebook.com/craftily simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night.